Good morning, my lovely children. Welcome back to your English online learning class. Dear children, today we are going to begin our grammar lesson 1, words and sentences. Let's understand what are words. Children, a letter or a group of letters that has meaning when written or spoken together are called as words. Or we can say when a sound or combination of sounds that has meaning is called as word. Let's see with example. When letter D, O, G are written together, it makes the word dog. Likewise, C, A, T, cat, F, U, N, fun, B, A, K, E, bake. Now, let's do a warm-up activity given on page number 13 in your grammar book. Help Minnie unjumble the words. Then match the words with the picture. Here are few words given, but the letters are not in correct order. We have to make the letters in correct order, then match with the correct picture. First one, Keydon. It is donkey. So number 1 will be matched with B. Second word, Docort. The word it is creating is doctor. So match number 2 with number E. Third, Esro. Yes, can it be a rose? Yes, it's making the word rose. Rose. So match number 3 with A. Number 4, Bpitra. These letters when unjumbled made the word rabbit. So match number 4 with number C. Next word, Colathoc. Now this becomes chocolate. Yes, if we unjumble these letters, it will become chocolate. So match number 5 with number D. Now my dear children, let's understand what are sentences. Dear children, a sentence is a group of words that are put together to make a meaning. It should make a meaning. Children, for example, if I say, is playing Ron football. So, will it make any sense? Is it making any meaning? No, it's not making any meaning, so it cannot be a sentence. But if I say, Ron is playing football, it's making sense. So, it is a sentence. Next example, the sun rises in the east. It is also making sense. It is telling us that from where the sun rises from the east. So this is also a sentence. Dear children, kindly note, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and mostly ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. Now, it is a correct sentence. Why? Because the S of Sam is capital as it is the first word of the sentence, and also the proper name is there. Sam is a proper name, proper noun. So we always put the first letter as capital of a proper noun, and there is a full stop at the end. So this sentence, Sam loves ice cream, is a proper sentence. Number 2, the children are playing. Again, the T of the is capital because it's the first letter of the sentence, and at the end there is a full stop. Now children, let's do exercise A and exercise B. Let's begin with exercise A. Look at the pictures, read the clues and fill in the blanks. There are few pictures given to us and 5 sentences given. We have to read the sentences and we have to write the proper name of the animal which will come according to the clue. Let's begin with number 1. It lives in a pond. So from these pictures, can we identify that which animal or bird lives in a pond? Yes, it's a duck. So the answer is D-U-C-K, duck. Number 2. It is the baby of a cat. So what is the baby of cat called? Yes, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Number 3. I have a very long neck. So which animal has a long neck? Yes, it's a giraffe. So the answer is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Number 4. I love to eat honey. So which animal loves to eat honey? Yes, bear. B-E-A-R. Number 5. I croak in the rainy season. So which animal croaks? Yes, the answer is frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Let's do exercise B. Read each group of words. Color the box blue if it is a sentence. So we have to read the clues. We have to understand that whether it is a proper sentence or not. If it is a sentence, we will color the box with blue color. If it is not a sentence, we will leave the box. Let's start with number 1. A cartoon am watching I. So children, is this sentence beginning with a capital letter? No. Is there a full stop at the end? Yes. But there is no capital letter at the beginning, so it is not a sentence. We will not consider it. Number 2. A bunch of flowers. Now these words are making sense, but there is no full stop and no capital letter at the beginning, so it is also not considered as a sentence. Number 3. You can draw well. Full stop. Now it is a proper sentence because there is a capital letter at the beginning and as well as there is a full stop at the end. So we will color this box as blue. Number 4. Tomorrow is a holiday. Again, there is a full stop at the end and capital letter at the beginning. So this is also a sentence and we are going to color the box. Number 5. A beautiful picture. Now children, the words are making sense, but there is no capital letter in the beginning, so we will not consider it as a sentence. Number 6. Joy plays in the park every day. Full stop. Yes, it is a sentence because there is a full stop at the end and the first letter of the sentence is capital. So we'll color the box blue. Number 7. Blue the sky. It's not a sentence, so we will leave the box. Number 8. A cow gives us milk. Full stop. Yes, we are going to consider it as a sentence. Why? Because there is a capital letter at the beginning and there is a full stop at the end. So we are going to color its box as blue. Now dear children, understand that we have 5 types of sentences. But we will be doing 2 types of sentences in this chapter. Number 1, declarative sentence or telling sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence or asking for question sentence. Now let's understand what is a declarative or telling sentence. Children, when a sentence tells us something, it is called as telling sentence. When a sentence is telling us something, there is a meaning, it is telling us something, this type of sentence is called as telling sentence. And children, please note that this type of sentence always ends with a full stop. When there is a telling sentence, there should be a full stop at the end. For example, I have many friends. So this sentence is telling us that how many friends do I have? I have many friends. So it is a telling sentence. So we'll put a full stop at the end. Number 2, I have 2 eyes. Now again, it is telling us the number of eyes which I have. So it is telling I have 2 eyes. So this is also considered as a telling sentence, and there is a full stop at the end. Now let's understand interrogative or question sentence. A sentence which asks something is called as a question sentence. When there is some question is asked, right, that sentences are called as question sentence or interrogative sentence. And please note, these type of sentences always end with a question mark. For example, do you have friends? Now, this statement is asking us that do you have friends, that whether you are having friends or not. So we'll put a question mark at the end. Next example, how many eyes do you have? Again, it's asking that the number of eyes you have, how many eyes you have. Again, we'll put a question mark at the end. Now, dear children, let's do our exercise C of this lesson. Read the following. Put a full stop if it is a sentence, means telling sentence, and put a question mark if it is a question, means if it is a interrogative sentence, we have to put a question mark. If it is a declarative or telling sentence, we have to put a full stop. Number 1. This is a tall building. Now this statement is telling us that the building is tall. So we'll put a full stop. Number 2. Do you like mangoes? Now this statement is asking us that whether you like mangoes or not. So we'll put a question mark because it's a question sentence. Number 3. It is such a beautiful dress. Now again, the statement is telling us that the dress is beautiful. So we'll put a full stop. Number 4. There are many flowers in my garden. Again, this statement is telling that there are so many flowers in my garden. So we'll put a full stop. Number 5. Are you going on a picnic on Saturday? Now, it's a asking sentence. They are asking a question that are you going on picnic on Saturday? So we'll put a question mark at the end. Number 6. Is he going to Shimla? Again, it's an asking sentence because they are asking that whether that boy is going to Shimla or not. So we'll put a question mark at the end. Number 7. The river is deep here. It is telling us that the river is very deep. So we'll put a full stop at the end. Number 8. This garland is made of marigold flowers. Again, it's a telling sentence. It's telling us that the garland of flowers is made of marigold flowers. So dear children, I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Let's end up this class with a wonderful thought that every moment is a fresh beginning. Thank you, dear children. Have a very wonderful day.